Yan. Kukunin yung saging kay hinog na. Diyan ka lang ha. Yan. Oh. Hinog na oh.
Okay.
Kita niyo ba?
Don't get hurt. Okay.
Be careful.
Mama,
Yeah.
I can take this, Mama.
Hmm?
I can take this. Look at this so easy. Oh my God.
Dito tayo.
Okay. Oh my God. Mama,
Yeah.
what's this doing?
Hinog na yung saging.
Mama, what
Oh.
is cutting the trees?
Basta masipag magtanim, may aanihin.
Mama,
Kami ay taga-kain.
Mama,
Po.
stop. What is the cutting the trees?
Cutting the banana. Look, there's a hinog now. The banana.
they're cutting the-
Ah!
I'm not good.
Ay, naku.
It just cut off the tree right there. What the?
Yeah.
Okay, Mama. Okay. Mama, don't be
Huwag
afraid.
yan.
Wait, I got this. I get the photos to make this falling there fall. Okay, Rhoda, I can see.
Hawakan mo, tsaka mo anuhin. Kaya mahulog yan.
Okay, I can do it. Rhoda. Okay. Okay, Rhoda, did you have you? Okay.
Ha?
Okay, Rhoda, use the bananas.
Ayog sa umpil ha?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Mama. Okay, we're going to get this one. Get cut this tree.
There's a banana.
Mama.
And the banana is... Ayun.
Ayun! Banana!
Ayun.
Ayun. Okay. Mama?
Hmm?
This is my best wafer.
Wag na yan na kay...
Why?
Matusukan yan.
No, because I can remember.
Ilagay mo dito.
Mama.
Ako, pag ako natamaan ha.
Okay. Wada,
Ako na.
go!
Hindi nga yan. Dito yan.
Wala!
Dito. Yun.
Success.
Hmm.
Good job, my daddy.
Good job. May isa pa.
My...
Oh. Hinog na oh. Yeah. Tawa.
Mama?
Ha?
I can cut the tree. There's a coconut. And up
There's a
there.
coconut.
Yeah. What is doing this? Okay. Mama, you do this. I cut the tree.
Dadah. Basin mo apil ka.
Okay?
Oops.
It will work. Okay. Can you stop it as this tree? This is so big.
Yeah.
And I cut the coconut. Oh my God, it's so high. Oh my God. Mama, I can cut the tree and it still works. Okay, let me pull the tree and see. Break it. Okay, go back. Okay, now. Cut the
Gurang na na ano? Oh.
Okay, you.
Oy, no ah! Oy, no!
It's so high.
Ibalik mo na yan, B. Diba? Maraming saging. Ay, bakit?